Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make these different kinds of hangings. So first of all I will make these butterfly hangings, which are quite simple, and I will take these butterflies which have holes from the inside, so you can insert needles or pins. So I'm taking the head pin, insert it through the hole, and then using a plier I will bend the upper part to make a loop. So once the loop is made, you can use this loop to hang it in any of your project, like a jewelry, or I have used this hanging in my scrapbook, right? So you can make as many as you want. And let me show the scrapbook. Here I have used these hangings. Now the second one are the oval shaped hangings, and for that I'm using these oval shape or tear shaped beads and these bead caps. So first of all insert the head pin and then these bead caps. Now I will use a plier to make a loop on the top, and with the help of these loops you can use these hangings in your projects. Let me show you. These are the earrings where I used these type of hangings. Now there are beads with nug wheel. So this is another important and easy type of hanging where you use beads and these nug wheels. And I'm taking a head pin, insert it through the hole, then use this nug wheel. Now bend the upper part of the pin into a loop shape and the hanging is ready. So in this way you can make lots of hangings, and these are specially used in jewelry projects. I made lots of jewelry projects with these. For instance, let me show you these earrings and jhumar. The next ones are these long hangings which are normally used in dresses, and I will use these three kinds of things, that is the long tubes, small seed beads, and normal size beads which are about 5 to 6 millimeter. Now take a loop pin, insert this tube, and then I'm adding 2 small seed beads. Now using the plier make a loop on the top, and now I will take a head pin and this bead, and I will cut the extra from the top and then bend it in the form of a loop. Now I will insert this loop into the loop of this one. So first open it, then insert this beads loop and then close it. So this is how you can make this long hanging for your dress. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can make different types of hangings. I hope you will like it. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos.